Welcome to Hiossen Greece, powered by Anthos Hellas SA. Hiossen Greece is a special part of Anthos Hellas company, dedicated to providing high-quality dental implants and implant-supported restorations. As an authorized dealer of the world's leading implant manufacturer Hiossen, we focus on helping dental professionals and their patients achieve beautiful healthy smiles through the most advanced implant technology available. Our experienced team is dedicated to providing personalized care and support to all oral professionals who seek excellent results. We offer a wide range of implant solutions. Additionally, at Hiossen Greece, we are revolutionizing the way dental implants are placed through the use of digitally guided surgery. Hiossen's state-of-the-art technology allows us to create a precise, virtual plan for your implant placement, ensuring the most accurate and predictable results. Hiossen offers a unique digital surgical guide as no one else does. What is unique about Hiossen's surgical guide is the lack of metal sleeves, which makes it more accurate and precise, since it's all digitally manufactured. All stages, from designing to printing with a 3D printer, do not involve any human intervention. The high accuracy and precision of Hiossen's sleeveless surgical guide are supported by relevant research, which can be found at the link below. Our team is dedicated to providing the highest level of support and personalized attention to ensure your comfort and satisfaction. Contact us today to learn more and schedule a consultation.